Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this question, we have taken, this is from NCERT, a train travels 360 km at uniform speed. Speed of it had been suppose 5 km more. Then it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So we have to find the speed of the train here. So let us take, let the speed of the train which we have to find be x kilometer per hour. Don't forget to write the unit here. And what is given? Given for us distance covered. Distance covered is given, which is 360 kilometer. Therefore, we can find here time taken. Suppose I call it as T1. Time is nothing but distance by speed. So, 360 is the distance speed because time is distance by speed. Now, suppose if the speed had been 5 km more. Suppose now, speed of train is 5 km more, that is x plus 5 km per hour. Distance covered is same here. 360 km. Now let us find time taken. Call it as T2. This is nothing but 360 divided by x plus 5 hours we have got. Now here they have given, then it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. So let us just keep this much the requirement. T1 is necessary and T2 is necessary. It is given that it would have taken 1 hour less than for the same journey. That means T2 will be T1 minus 1 hour because it will take 1 hour less. So now we can form this. This will be 1 taken on the other side. T1 minus T2 will give us 1. So now T1 is nothing but 360 by x. T2 is 360 by x plus 5. This is equal to 1. So here given for the second time as the speed increases, it takes 1 hour less. So form it like this. Now you can take 360 common factor. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. (360) This will be x plus 5 minus x divided by x into x plus 5. Taken the LCM here, which is equal to 1. X goes 360 into 5 divided by x square plus 5x is equal to 1. So we can multiply this. So we will get now we can just simply solve the quadratic equation. This is x square plus 5x minus 1800. This is equal to 0. So we can find this 1800 here. 1800. We can go by prime factorization. If we multiply here, this is 40, we can take 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So if I take all the 2's together, I'll get 8. 2 into 2 into 2. This will give me 8. 2 5 are there. If I go with one of the 5 taken here, it will give me 40. So I am left here with 3, 3 and 5. So 3 into 3 into 5. This will give me 45. So 45 and 40 we will get on subtraction. 45 minus 40 will give me 5 here. So 45 and 40 are the two numbers what we got. So here I can write x square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800. This is equal to 0. Just mix match your prime factorization. You can easily find. Otherwise even you can go by formula method also for this. So x plus 45 minus 40 x plus 45 which is equal to 0. X plus 45 or x minus 40 will be 0. X plus 45 is equal to 0 or x minus 40 will be 0. We will get x is equal to minus 45 or x is equal to 40. Speed can never be negative. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equal to 40 km per hour, or we can say the speed of the train is 40 km per hour. So, you can say therefore, speed of train is 40 km per hour. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this sum, two water taps together can fill the tank in 9 3/8, where one of the water tank has the diameter more, which will take 10 hours less than the smaller one. We have to find the time of each tap will take time to fill the tank separately. So, we will go here. Let A and B be the two taps and A is larger than B in diameter. So now let tap B takes time to fill the tank be x hour, given the larger one will take 10 hours less. So therefore, tap A takes time x minus 10 hour. Together they will take 9 3/8. So we can say together A and B takes 9 3/8, which is 75/8 hour. This is the overall time taken to fill the tap. Now we will see what is the time taken to fill part of the tank is filled. So A is taking x minus 10, B taken x, together A plus B 75/8. Now suppose if I take x, so x in x hour, this will fill the overall tank, whole tank. So 1 overall tank. So in 1 hour, how much it will fill? Part of the tank filled in 1 hour will be 1 by x will be filled. Similarly, we take everything. So just take the reciprocal of everything. Because here x hour it take to fill the overall tank, that is full tank 1. In 1 hour it will be 1 by x. So we write the same here. Part of the tank filled by A will be 1 by x minus 10, and part of the tank, this is in 1 hour, so we should write it, filled by A in 1 hour is 1 by x minus 10, and similarly part of the tank filled by B in 1 hour is 1 by x, part of the tank filled by both A and B in 1 hour. Take the reciprocal of this, 8 by 75. Now we will take together A and B, what we are going to get. So, together A plus B, A we are having 1 by x minus 10, B is 1 by x, together it is giving 8 by 75. Now simply take the LCM. You will end up with the quadratic equation. X minus 10 and x will be the LCM. X plus x minus 10, 8 by 75. Two x minus 10 divided by x minus 10. So, this will give me x square minus 10x, 8 by 75. Here 2 can be taken common factor. X square minus 10x, 8 by 75. 2 and 8 we can cancel. 2 fours are. Now here this is x minus 5 divided by x square minus 10x. This is 4 by 75. Cross multiply 75 into x minus 5. 4 into x square minus 10x. This is 75x minus 375. 4x square minus 40x. So taking everything on the other side. 4x square minus 40x minus 75x plus 375, this is equal to 0. Four x square minus 115x we will get plus 375. This is equal to 0. So, we can go by prime factorization solving this quadratic equation. So, 375 into 4. This will give me 1500 directly. So, we want 115 in the middle. So, we can take 100 into 15. 100 into 15 will give me 1500 and 100 and 15 will give me 115. Both you take negative. So, we will get the negative and taking the negative, this will be positive. We can easily go this. So, 4x square minus 100x minus 15x plus 375 which is equal to 0. Take 4x common, x minus 25 minus 15, x minus 25 which is equal to 0. So, x minus 25, this is 4x minus 15 which is equal to 0. So, x minus 25 can be 0 or 4x minus 15 can be 0 here. So, we get the two values of the x here. X can be 25 or x here 4x. So, we can take x is equal to 15 by 4. So, this will be 15 by 4 we will get. Now, x cannot be 15 by 4. The reason is x is for B. So, B will take x hour and A is taking x minus 10 hour. So, if I taken if x be 15 by 4, then what will be A? 15 by 4 minus 10. So, we will get the negative value here for this. So, this will be 15 minus 40 divided by 4. This will be less than 0. So, it cannot be possible. Therefore, x is not equal to 15 by 4. Time cannot be negative here. So you got only one value. X is equal to 25. So therefore, X is equal to 25 hour and X minus 10 is 25 minus 10, which is 15 hour. Therefore, tab A takes 15 hour and tab B takes 25 hour to fill the tank separately. And this is important. You should show that this is less than 0, hence this is not possible. Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.